I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I'll never measure up. Am I more than just a sum of every high and every low? Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. Ooh, you say I am love when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. You say I am held when I am falling short, when I don't belong. Oh, you say I am yours, and I believe. Oh, I believe. What do you say of me? The only thing that matters now is everything you think of me. In you I find my worth, in you I find my identity. Ooh, you say I am love when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. You say I am held when I am falling short, and when I don't belong. Oh, you say I am yours, and I believe. Oh, I believe. What do you say of me? Taking all I have, and now I'm laying it at your feet. And you'll have every failure, God, and you'll have every victory. Oh, you say I am love when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. And you say I am held when I